At the supermarket story. Last Saturday, Maria went to the supermarket near her house. She needed to buy bread, milk, and fruit. When she arrived, she took a shopping basket. She looked at the shelves and said, "Oh, the apples look fresh today. I will take some." At the bakery section, she asked the shop assistant, "Excuse me, can I have 2 loaves of bread, please?" "Sure, here you are," said the assistant with a smile. At the end, Maria went to the cashier. The cashier asked, "Do you need a bag?" "Yes, please," Maria answered. She paid for her groceries and went back home happy. Useful expressions and vocabulary shopping basket. Cestinha de compras shelves. Prateleiras, loaves of bread. Pães, forma plural de loaf of bread. Excuse me, can I have? Expressão educada para pedir algo. Com licença, posso ter? Here you are, maneira simpática de entregar algo. Está aqui, pronto. Do you need a bag? Pergunta comum no caixa. Você precisa de uma sacola. Groceries. Compras de mercado mini. Exercise now, it's your turn. Try to write 3 short sentences, using the new words or expressions. For example, excuse me, can I have a bottle of water, please? I need a shopping basket for my groceries. The bananas on the shelves look fresh.